Good morning. How are you?
Good morning. I am fine. How can I help you?
I want to buy vegetables. What do you have?
We have potatoes, tomatoes, onions, spinach, and radish.
What is the price of onions?
Onions are $1 per pound.
Okay, I want 2 pounds of onions. What is the price of potatoes?
Potatoes are 50 cents per pound.
2 pounds of potatoes, please. 2 pounds of spinach, please. How much is the total?
Total is $3. How will you pay?
I'll pay cash. Here you are.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Goodbye.